everyone. My name is Marime Aranilio, a BSED major in mathematics. Today, I will be having a discussion.
The main objective of my discussion for today is that at the end of the discussion, the students are expected to identify and define points, lines, line segments, rays, and planes. Follow the 3 simple rules. Understand the different basic construction. Develop an overview of construction in geometry in general. Construct 5 basic construction in geometry. Before I proceed to my discussion, I prepare a quotation for you. The quotation is, "Geometry is the art of correct reasoning from incorrectly drawn figures" by Henry Poincare. When we were living in our life, there are parts and aspects that we can't understand. We can understand what, why, where, and how it exists. But one thing is for sure, there are reasons behind that question. Geometry may be confusing in telling us about different shapes, angles, and figures. But like how our life evolves, everything has a reason why it exists and why it needs to exist. My topic for today is all about basic construction in geometry. Sa katunayan, ang geometric construction ay kasabayan or kasing tagal na ng geometry. Ang geometric construction ay simpleng paggawa ng geometric objects katulad ng lines, segments, angles, triangles, and etc. Meron tayong 3 rules of construction. First is, yung straight edge ay gagamitin lamang natin para makapag-draw ng line and segments between 2 points. For example, point A and point B. So, para natin makonect yung point A and B, gagamit tayo ng straight edge. So, yan. The second rule is, a compass can be used to draw a circle or arc. Pero commonly, ang gamit nito dito sa lesson na to is mag-draw ng arc. Example, this one. Para makapag-draw tayo ng arc, di ba, yung point, ito natin lalagay. Then, yan. So, yan. Nakabuo tayo ng angle. Then, the rule number 3 is, wala na tayo ibang gagamitin na materials bukod sa papers, pen, or pencils. Meron tayong iba't ibang terms na may encounter dito sa lesson na to, which are the arcs, angles, bisect, congruent, intersect, length, lines, line segment, perpendicular lines, polygons, segment, and ray. So let's proceed to the different construction. The construction number 1 is copy a line segment. So bago yon, alamin muna natin kung ano nga ba ang line segment at ray. Ang line segment ay bahagi ng isang linya na may endpoint sa magkabilang dulo. At ang ray naman ay may endpoint sa kabilang dulo at sa kabilang dulo ay arrow. So, paano nga ba natin gagawin ang construction number 1?
Copy a line segment. So, ang gagawin natin dito is gagayahin natin yung line segment, OP. Bago yun, kailangan muna natin gumawa ng ray. Na meron na tayong ray dito, which is, ang given ray natin ay QS. Kasunod ay susukatin naman natin ang length nitong line segment OP gamit itong compass. Yung compass point ay nasa point O. Point O. Then, we will swing an arc dito sa P. Swing an arc. Doon naman tayo sa given na ray QS. Kung ano yung ginawa nating arc sa line segment OP, kung saan hindi na natin babaguhin yung opening ng ating compass. So, yung compass point natin ay nasa Q. Di ba ang intersection ng ray QS ay R? So, dito tayo gagawa ng arc at point R. So, yon. Di ba makikita natin yung line segment OP ay congruent sa QR. Then, magagaya natin yung another segment sa parehong pamamaraan na ginawa natin sa una from point R. As you can see, di ba, QR is congruent to RS. So, we copied the line segment.
So, dadako naman tayo sa construction number 2. So, dito sa construction number 2, ang gagawin natin is copy an angle. So, para magaya natin yung angle UST, una is gagawa muna tayo ng ray, which is, ang given ray natin dito is XY. So, kasunod, susukatin natin yung convenient arc from point S. So, from point S, di ba makakakita tayo or makakagawa tayo na arc intersecting at both sides of the angle. So, gagawin natin, we intersect the angle S at point Q. Adjust natin yung opening ng compass. Point Q and point T. So, or makakagawa tayo ng big arc. Yan. Dito naman tayo sa kabila. Gagayahin natin yung ginawa nating angle dito sa UST. Gagawa tayo ng big arc. Na ang gagawin natin ay yung compass point ay dito sa X. Then, intersecting XY. So, pataas natin siya gagawin. Yan. Then, so after nun, susukatin natin yung arc TU. Sukatin natin yan. From point T, sukatin natin yung, adjust natin yung compass point. So, yan. Yan yung TU, yan yung. Then, swing an arc at yun, na-swing na natin yung arc. So, after natin nun, gagayahin natin yung sukat ng TU. So, with the compass point at Y, so, di na natin babaguhin yung opening ng compass. Kung ano yung ginawa natin dito, gano'n na din yung gagawin natin dito. So, yan, at point Y. Then, swing an arc dito sa Z. After nun, is i-connect natin yung X at Z. So, gagamit tayo ng straight edge. So, dito natin siya i-connect sa intersecting arc. So, as you can see, di ba, the angle UST is congruent to ZXY. So, we copy the angle. Let's proceed to the construction number 3, bisect an angle. Ang given angle natin dito is angle GEF. We will bisect the angle. First is with the compass point at point E. Compass point at point E. I-adjust natin yung opening ng ating compass. Then, swing an arc, yung size ng angle natin ay intersected at F and G. So, yan. Yan. Then, ang compass point naman natin is itatapat naman natin sa point F. Then, swing an arc to the interior. Then, after nun, dito naman tayo sa point G. Then, swing an arc to the interior, intersected dun sa una nating arc na ginawa dito sa F, point F. So, ito. Ganyan. Then, i-connect natin yung E at H gamit ang straight edge. Kung saan ito bagay yung point ng intersection natin ng arc. So, yan. So, as you can see, we bisected the angle. Nakikita na natin na yung angle FEH ay congruent sa angle HEG. So, we bisect an angle. So, let's proceed to the construction number 4.
Kukonstruct tayo ng perpendicular line from an external point to a line. So, ang external point natin dito is point O. Then, yung line naman natin ay yung line QR. With the compass point from point O, adjust natin yung compass, yung opening ng ating compass, and then swing an arc a little bit dito sa baba ng ating line QR. And then, gagawin natin is intersect natin yung line Q at R at 2 points. So, ganito mangyayari dyan. Sobra pala. Q and R. So, yan. Then, yung compass point natin ay istatapat naman natin sa point Q. So, point Q. Then, swing an arc below the line. Swing an arc below the line. After nun, itatapat naman natin yung compass point sa point R. Then, swing another arc below the line katulad ng ginawa natin sa point Q, which is intersecting siya dito sa una natin ginawa. Intersecting at point S. So, as you can see, nag-intersect siya sa point S. So, i-connect natin yung point O and S gamit ang straight edge. So, yan. Yung point O, yung S. So, yan. Yan yung nagawa natin. As you can see, yung line OS ay perpendicular to the line QR.
So, let's proceed to the last construction. So, ang construction number 5 natin is construct a perpendicular bisector of a line segment. So, ang line segment natin dito is WX. It will be bisected. First is yung compass point natin is itatapat natin sa point W. Then, i-adjust natin yung opening ng ating compass ng lagpas sa kalahati. Then, swing an arc above the line and below the line. So, next is yung compass point naman natin is itatapat natin sa X. Then, swing an arc above the line and below the line. So, after nun, i-connect natin yung point of intersection ng Y and Z. So, gamit tayong straight edge. So, yun ang intersection, yun nasa gitna. So, yan. So, as you can see, the line YZ is the perpendicular bisector of the segment WX because it cuts the line segment WX at its midpoint. So, masasabi natin na yung WM ay congruent sa MX and YZ that is perpendicular, making a right angle. That's all. Thank you for watching and listening to my video. I hope you learned something.